Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can sign in into the mobile banking application of the State Bank on iPhone. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to download and install the mobile banking application of the State Bank on your device. Then you tap and open the application. Here you will see login form page where first of all you need to provide your username. Then go in for providing your password. After you provide both the details, you need to simply tap and log in where you will get directly logged in into the mobile banking application of the State Bank. Just in case if you forgot the login credential of the mobile banking application of a State Bank, you need to tap on the option given that is forgot login. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to recover your account credential of the mobile banking application of a State Bank. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the mobile banking application of the State Bank. Thank you.